Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today we're just gonna be skating, bro. Like this, we're outside. It's pretty windy right now, so if you hear the wind, I apologize for that. It's really windy out, really good. I got the weight. This is a weighted. Let me show you. Oh shoot! Yo, the wind just knocked my phone over. But we'll show the fit. It's a chill little thing. This is a weighted hoodie. Got the shoes on, you already know. I love these things. Suede, I don't know what brands they are, but I love them. I'm gonna start drawing on them. Already got a little bit of drawing. I don't know if you can see that, but we got a little bit of drawing. We're back. Let's show some video of me skating around, and we'll just get to that in 1 second. But first, I was gonna do a transition, but then I thought first, I just gotta tell one, I hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you're having an amazing night, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. I just hope your day's going really good and swag. Eat food, be good, be safe, and have a good time watching the video. All right, this is my board. Show it off a bit. It's a metal board. That's the board. I'm just getting on it. Let's get this going. Nice little parking lot we're skating in today. I gotta get my ollies back being good, so cause I just been skating around, just been skating like parking garage. I gotta get back my ollie. My ollie's just really inconsistent. Just gotta get it. See if I can hit one on the board. It's gonna be sad. Hoping I can. Yeah. Kind of a little rusty. It's not like I haven't skated in days. It's just like my ollie's just been really inconsistent recently, so I just got to get my. Yeah, I look like a noob skating. I look like my first time skating. I promise you, I'm usually better at. I can only ollie. That's all I can do. But we'll get better eventually. All right, so now phone is up. I can't even see the board, bro. Can't even see the board. Let me adjust that for y'all real quick. Earbud fell out. There's the video. See if I can hit an ollie or something. I'm trying to get in frame right now. I'm trying to get in frame, bro. Alright, I think I'm in frame. Flip it. Alright. I don't know why I'm so bad right now. I'm usually never this bad. It's like, I gotta get back into it. I gotta start skating every day again. So, you finna do that. You can't even see my face, but who cares, honestly. My leg wet. We're getting back into it. I'm kind of glad I'm doing this. Give me some like good motivation. But like, hey, what I need to fix. So, don't be afraid of your mistakes in life. Even though I'm trying to make a lot of them in my experience on this list. I make a ton of mistakes. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I'm not the smartest person you'll ever meet. But hey, I try. Hippie jumped, but forgot to. We're getting there. I keep hippie jumping. Oh, my wife texted me. I'll get back to you soon, my love. Gotta record the video. Pretty soon she'll be able to record the video so we can hang out. I think we're trying to hang out this Saturday, actually, so that's pretty swag. Thumbs up. She texted me again. We're playing 8-ball pool. She is more skilled than me in that game. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I hope you guys can hear audio. If you can't, that's mad unfortunate. But I finally remembered to flip the camera this way, so we're doing something right. Oh, we got some pop though. We got pop though. want to see how high I got on in that video. We're back. We're kind of back. One day I will be able to all stuff. Really get good. Am I in frame? Sure hope I was in frame. I'm pretty sure I was. I can't really see. I think on my glasses. Hope you guys can actually hear me. Oh, come on. It sucks because I look better without my glasses. But I have to wear glasses. Hey, we're learning out here. We're learning. We're getting into the groove. For some reason, when I'm moving, I can ollie better. Like I just get it higher. Maybe that's momentum. Who knows? Oh shoot! I think there's something in my shoe. I'm gonna get that out after this. Let's get that out real quick. See, don't mind the hole in my sock. I'm not broke. My grip tape is so nasty, dude. Look at this. It's like, ignore my foot, bro. This thing is nasty. Doesn't look like there was anything in my shoes. So that's something. These shoes are really comfortable. I don't know if they're skate shoes directly. I'm trying to put my shoe in, but they're suede and they're like really nice. I like the colors. I was really trying to get the. Oh, it's already getting messed up. That's what I wanted, low-key though. But basically, I want to get the Adidas. The superstars. I want to get the superstars with the black and the things. Like, I know they're basic, but they look really cool. I like them. I like the way they look. I'm not getting them just because they're a popular shoe. I'm getting them generally because I want them. I hate that they're a popular shoe because they're expensive, bro. And it's like, I wear a size 8.5 in men's. I know I have small feet. I'm like 5'8". I have small feet, but my little brother, my youngest brother, has bigger feet than me, bro. So we got to get back to skating. Let me set the phone up. I don't know if you guys have a good view or not. I'm not quite sure. But I hope you guys do. We're just going to start skating up again. I always touch my pants. Oh, not my pants, but my, what you call it? Oh, I don't know if you see me, but I always check my hoodie. Whatever I'm wearing, I always tuck behind my butt. Because I'm worried if I have butt sweat, somebody might see it. Or I'm worried I have, like, I don't know. Like you never know, bro. Like, I'm having the feeling that I can fart all day. This is TMI, but I don't care. Y'all gonna get too close to me. But I'm always worried, like, what if like, you never know, bro. You never know. What if I sat in something? That's why always when you see me, I'm always like, that's legit why I'm doing it, bro. I promise you. I could care less. Like, there's no other reason. Like, there's simply no other reason. Got good pop. I don't know why I bailed out in the front. I don't know why I'm sliding in the back. Get that pop. Don't want to land free mode. That would be horrible, man. End up tearing my ACL. I hope you guys can see what I'm saying. If you can't, that's so unfortunate. See what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to say. See what I'm saying, basically. We'll get there. We'll get there. Eventually, you guys will see me doing crazy tricks. But today's not the day. It's all good. It's giving me motivation to skate. Now I have a purpose. The only thing I hate. Oh, I think my earbuds just died. That's unfortunate. That might be all the filming for today. Probably look ugly on here, bro. My AirPods, my Beats died. They're Beats. These things. I got them for free from my nephew. Shout out to dude. The dude you see me skating with, that's my nephew, so shout out to dude. But that might be all the film for today. I think that my beats just died, so anyways, that's all I got for now. That's probably gonna be the video. The video is already probably long. I'm gonna skate a little more, practice a little more. I might film some clips of me doing it, but I won't have any audio, so I'll just do a commentary when I get home. But anyways, if that's all I have for today, this will be the end. And then you'll see the outro next. But if it's not, you'll see some more. More clips, just more clips. I don't even know if this is gonna go in the video or not. Only if I get anything good. Then my AirPods, Beats, whatever you got. Hey, more content. I shouldn't be able to do this, but if anything good happens, I'll do it. Solid on. Come on. If I do get another paycheck, I'm buying another board. Or at least some new trucks. I want some different trucks. I have an independent truck shirt. I had it on earlier today. Low-key embarrassing because I had it on backwards for like 2 periods. I was like, oh hell no. Did it? Y'all seen it. Getting back to where we were, back to our prime. That's somebody. Whoa to me. It's nice out. I don't know why I bailed out. I could have stuck it. I bailed out for some hard. Oh, my ankle. I don't know if that's That's fun. Kill myself. Anyway, that's probably all for now. If you guys can hear this, it's a miracle, bro. It's probably all for now. All right. I'm back in my room. As you can see, I'm back in my room. Took my shirt off because I'm sweating really, really bad. Excuse me. Anyways, this is going to be all for the video. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I sincerely apologize. But we're going to end the video here. I'm putting my thumbtacks away. But we're just going to end the video here. Hope you have an amazing day, amazing night, amazing evening. Whichever time you're watching this video, just have an amazing time of that hour. I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone is well rested, well fed, and well hydrated. Especially where I live, bro. You gotta be well hydrated out here because it's hot. It be hot. It's hot out here. I ain't even gonna lie. It's hot. So just be safe, have fun, and enjoy your life. See you guys later. Have an amazing whatever time period it is. Just be safe and eat a snack. If you struggle with eating, eat a little snack. You know what I mean? But keep pushing because you matter. You matter, dude. That's what's up. See y'all.